Welcome to the product demonstration of solar wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this product we are using 12 volts 1 amp battery and one solar panel. So here we can see this is the solar panel, and also we are using a step down transformer. So we can see this is the step down transformer, and also we are using a 2 bridge rectifiers, or also we can call as a 2 charging circuits. So we are using for here, and also we are using a transmitter coil. So here we can see this is the transmitter coil and this is the inverter, and also we are using a receiver coil. So this is the receiver which is attached to the car, and this is the rectifier, and this is the DC bulb. So now we are charging this battery using two sources. One is a solar source, another is a electrical source. So coming to this electrical source, we are giving the 230 volts power supply using this power cable that will be given to this primary of the transformer, and the secondary of the transformer we can see it gives the 12 volts 1 amp AC voltage. That AC voltage will connect it to this side. So this is the input of this rectifier. After that, if we give the power supply to that one, so we can see there will be a light indication. So it is taking the AC power and is converting to 12 volts 1 amp DC. That 12 volts 1 amp DC will be given to this battery, which means it is charging using this rectifier and transformer. For the charging purpose, we will use a step down transformer and rectifier for the battery. And coming to the solar connection, so here we can see we will give the another connection to the battery. So here we can see we have connected here. After that, we will give the solar connection to this rectifier. So we have mentioned here T means T means transformer. So here we can see T means transformer and the B means battery. So here we can see this is the S means we can connect here solar only. So we have to give the power supply for the solar, and here we can see this is the battery. We need to conduct battery. So we can see there will be a small light indication. If I remove this one, it will be not come. If I give, there will be a light indication. Due to low sunlight, it is generating the less power. That less power will be given to this battery. So one doubt will be raised on the mind that it is a rectifier generally, but why we are using for the solar? Generally solar generate a DC power supply, but again we are giving to the rectifier. Rectifier converts AC to DC, right? So main purpose of using this rectifier from between the battery and solar. In this rectifier we have a diodes. Whenever the voltage is more than the solar voltage, the battery voltage is more than the solar voltage, the reverse voltage will be come to the solar. To protect this solar, we are using this rectifier, because in this rectifier have a diodes. This diodes only allow the forward voltage but doesn't allow the reverse voltage. So that's why we are using this rectifier for the solar battery charging. And coming to this transmitter, so here we can see the transmitter coil. So now I'm connecting this one to this pin. I will mention here. So I have mentioned as a C here. C means coil. So this connection have to be connected to this coil only. So we can change these batteries ear to ear connections, but this coil only have to give for this transmitter. So this is a switch. When I on this one, so the DC voltage will be given to this inverter. Inverter converts AC to DC to AC. So this is a DC voltage. This converting the DC to AC. That AC will be given to this coil, and here we can see a receiver coil will receive the AC voltage using mutual inductance, and this rectifier takes the AC voltage into DC it will convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this bulb. Now I am switching on this power supply. Now if a car move near to this transmitter coil, so we can see if it is moved nearer to this coil, light will be glowing, which means this battery get charging. So battery of this car will be charged. So here light place we can place their electric car battery. So we can see. So also we can see the distance also. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching. And also one thing I forgot to say that, so we can remove this light connection and we can bring this light connection here.